important thing is that you make to boil the water, and then before just put the egg, just switch it off. Okay? I like these things because you hold it, you don't do like this, you hold it.
Hi guys, my name is Tayane, I'm from Brazil, and I would like to say I really enjoy the classes here at CieCAS, and I'm having fun too. The chefs are really good, they explain in details what we have to say and why we are doing this, so they explain very carefully. And so we can learn better and we can try at home. Also, it's very good. Thank you. Bye.
So we signed up for the class because I wanted my daughter to learn how to cook. And I joined too because I thought the recipes looked really good. And I've been coming this is my 4th class. And I really enjoyed it. The teachers are amazing. The dishes that you make are really good. We've had some practice at home with some success. Not as good as here, but yeah, it's been a great class. I'm really enjoying it.
At home we've made egg benedict and asparagus.
My son loves food and he wants to learn cooking. So I've been trying to find the appropriate institution or program for him to attend. And finally, we found here. So this is the first time that we come here and register for the program, for the cooking class. Fortune, do you like this class?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it is very
Fun?
yes, and it's yummy.
The food is very yummy. Do you enjoy your own dishes, the food?
Yes.
Do you want to come next time?
Yes.
Next Saturday. So yes, we will come next Saturday. See you next Saturday.
Bye bye.